In today's fast-paced business environment, effective communication is a major key to success. With that, there may be no form of communication used more often than email. Courier allows Quickbase users to send, track, and manage their emails from directly within their applications. And as users' business grows, so do the number of emails you need to send to keep that same effective level of communication. Oftentimes, teams can struggle to keep up, responses become less timely, and it becomes harder to track your conversations with your stakeholders. You may often forget to follow up, send reminders, or reach out entirely, resulting in missed opportunities and ultimately lost business. If you find yourself having a hard time managing the flood of emails required to effectively communicate in your business environment, it may be time to consider an automated solution. That's where Courier comes in. Courier allows Quickbase users like yourself to automate their email outreach without the need for pipelines. We've got Quickbase clients using Courier to send automated email sequences, bulk emails to reports of customers, scheduling daily, weekly, and monthly emails to be sent off of their specific needs and use cases. But before we get into that, let's just do a quick intro into us. We're Juice Technologies. We've been helping Quickbase users like yourselves get more value out of their applications for the better part of 20 years. We provide add-ons, plugins, and professional services that extend the native capabilities of Quickbase, supporting you every step of the way. The application you are about to view has been set up for Quickbase Courier using one of our add-on setup wizards, which handles the creation of all necessary fields and formulas for you. One final disclaimer, we did also utilize the Courier configurator to add all the fields and tables and the buttons to the application you're about to see. So let's just jump into what Courier really does. Now, Courier is an emailing tool that allows you to take fields and data from Quickbase and send this out to clients outside of your Quickbase realm with ease. Now, this example here, you see that we have some very simple fields at the top: company name, first name, last name, your email, and some rich text just to show how we can include that in the email itself. Now, with this one button, I'm going to send myself this email. And you may notice this email activities table below. One of the great things about Courier is we're actually capturing every email that was sent per record. So you always have a transcript of what was sent to that client or that individual in general. Now you may have heard the ding, and I have my Courier email here where you can say, "Hi Matthew, thank you for using the Courier Demo. Notes, here is the rich text that we included as well." That is a simple version of Courier. Now let me show you the template that's being used to send out that Courier email. So we actually hit our Juiced Cloud where we actually created a template for Courier. So I'm going to navigate to that add-on quickly. And again, if you saw other add-ons there that you didn't know about, we're happy to discuss those in the future. But I'm just going to navigate on over to this Courier Demo Basic. I'm going to go ahead and hit the pencil and give you guys a walkthrough of this configurator. You may notice that I have a configuration name, a processing mode where I'm able to either select an on-demand, a scheduled, or a triggered email to be sent. This one is triggered based off of a change in the Quickbase record. So we're only sending out one email per each record. Then we have a connection, which is my user token, which is connected to the demo Courier application. This would be connected to yours, of course. And then the table that we're sending from, which is just the Courier table. In the next tab, you'll notice that we're doing a from email, and the from email we're providing is our own in this one, but you are able to connect to your own mail server, whether it's Outlook, Gmail, Office 365, etc. We have the advanced email authentication tools to be able to keep up with the modern authentication that you need in today's day and age, and you'll be able to send out from your own mail server without an issue. From the email options themselves, we identified the to field, or the email field. So if you navigate back, you'll notice your email field here is what we're identifying as the to field. We have an update field, which is identifying the date time to say when that email was last sent. If I hit refresh, you'll notice the date of the last sent email. And you'll also notice we can identify BCC, reply to, and copy emails as well with ease. In the email message, this is really your true template. You have your subject, which you can include fields from Quickbase. If you hit this table fields dropdown, you'll see all the fields available from that table, which you can easily drag and drop right into your email template itself. Now I'm just going to go quickly delete that, but you may notice we have a couple other fields which we identified that were included in the email themselves. So really easy to understand. Images, of course, work as well. And one thing about the rich text, you can, of course, use some rich text from here as well. Pretty easy, pretty neat. I think you guys will find that to be super easy to use. Once you're done, you're going to hit Update Next and navigate to the email attachments. This is where it gets really powerful. You can attach one or many attachments from that table or a related table in Quickbase. For this example, we may show you quickly how to send out an EFP document, or you can browse an individual generic attachment from your computer if you want to send out a terms and conditions, for example, every single time. You can easily test your emails without sending it out to any clients. And finally, on the Finish tab, we give you some further instructions on how to do the setup, put an option for error emails, as well as an activity table setup, which you noticed here before. One other thing I wanted to show you guys quickly was from one of our Workflow Wednesday applications. We have a send trial quote sequence, which is a common use case where people are sending an automated sequence to send many emails out based off of a status. So when we change the status to trial quote, you notice that we have a message to be sent. Now this is going to kick off an entire sequence of emails to be sent out based off of a status. This is just one of the many options we offer to clients that we will help you build so that you can have a very robust communication system within Quickbase. If you're interested in learning more, or if you have any questions about Courier, please let us know. We're more than happy to learn more about your specific use case. If you want to, please reach out to support@juicetech.com for more, and we'll be happy to talk to you. Thanks so much, and talk soon.